This is Donna M. Butler, founder of the Broke Wives Club and the Attitude Shifter. I want to take a few moments to talk just a little bit about some things that are going on in my world, in my heart, and in my mind. As I started the school year this year, I had a lot of memories flood back from the time I was this little girl and wasn't in school yet, but was this little girl into what you see before you today. You know, a lot of things have gone on in my life, some good, some bad, some memorable, but they've all been part of what has made me who I am today. And that's what I want to take a few minutes to talk about. You know, I get a lot of criticism for some of the things that I do and some of the things that I have done, starting with the Broke Wives Club, with people asking me, how can I label myself a broke wife? You know, being broke is more than being broke financially. My heart has been broken many times. Starting at a very young age like this, my heart was broken. My heart was broken by someone I admired very much. My heart was broken by my biological father. And to this day, I still bear the scars. I still am broke in that area. Moving on along in my life, my heart was later broken by a man that I fell in love with, who I thought I'd spend the rest of my life with. And that didn't work out either. So there's a little bit more brokenness in my life. As I grew older, I met an amazing man who's been a superhero in my life. We have our ups and our downs, and we go in and out. And through that union, we've adopted several children. And it doesn't always work out that way. You'd think it'd be, they lived happily ever after. But that's not what happened either. We've been through ups and downs with our children. We've been ostracized for the way we've raised our children. And we've been made jokes of on some of the things that we've done when it's come to raising our children. So then I'm broke again in the heart this time. You'd think 3 strikes you're out. Not even close, Bo. I continue to fight. And that's where the attitude shifter steps in. There are people from all walks of life with different attitudes. Even myself, I had to learn to accept what was going on in my life. I had to learn to understand that I am in control of how I feel, the resentment, the hurt, the broken heart. I have control of that. I am in the driver's seat. This is who I am, the real, authentic Donna M. Butler. Around my neck is a necklace given to me by my mother, who's been the hero in my life for as long as I can remember. And guess what? We don't always see eye to eye either. And I've hurt her, and I know I've broken her heart many times. But she's my mom, and she's constant, and she is someone in my life who I owe a great deal to. Have I made amends regarding where my father is concerned? I guess that portion of me, that little girl, that little 5-year-old girl, she's going to be broke for a while. But then that is my choice. And I want to use this time to say to those that love me, those that are going to be shocked by what they're seeing and hearing right now, I want to say to you, it is not your fault. I carry the burdens that I carry. I carry the heavy heart sometimes. You all go on with your lives, and you have went on with your lives. And that's what attitude is about. It's about shifting your life. It's about putting the past to rest. And if you can't, it's about learning how to deal with it. I have great many memories on these pictures that you can look at and see. You know, there are some I can't put up here because I'm afraid that they might try to sue me. My own children may try to sue me for exploiting them for what they would say is my gain. And if having a good heart and if finding peace is exploiting them, then I guess I won't find peace in that area. I talked earlier to a young man, Ro. Many of you may have seen the video of, if you haven't, go to the Attitude Shifter page on Facebook and look at his video. He was adopted at birth, and his attitude was amazing. He made me realize at that very moment that I needed to clean some of the skeletons out of my closet, that I need to make peace with things that, you know what, I may never get answers to. But that's okay, because like he said, he's not going to go and search and look and bring up things that doesn't matter, doesn't make him who he is, didn't make him the fine young man that sat before me. So I guess that's what I need to do. I need to make that peace, because it has nothing to do with my eternal perspective on life. So once again, I address my family and loved ones and even friends who will look at this and see me in my true, authentic self and know that I will be fine. You know what? The tears come and go. The heartache comes and goes, but it's all about my attitude. It's all about how this little girl grew up to be this woman that you see before you, that is often called psychotic because of the many characters I play, hence the word characters. The characters that I play, the way that I dress, even the quirky way that I do things. You know, it's not always the way the world wants things done. It's about the way I do things. As long as I give thanks to my Creator, my Heavenly Father, as long as I do the things that I need to do to better myself, to be a good example to those that I take care of and have stewardship over, as long as I do that, I'm going to be okay. You know, I thought this would be a little bit easier than what it is right now because I know my phone will ring and I know things will be said because there are so many things in my life that have been swept under the rug that my family won't talk about, refuses to talk about. And that's okay too. I'm not going to put you out there like that. You can take a breath now. It's not going to happen. I'm not going to call names because that makes me vindictive and small, which is what I'm not. I just want to share with all my viewers a little bit about me and to let everyone know that Donna M. Butler is fine. I will succeed in my goal of creating the world's largest tow chain of sisters, hands extended to receive help, the other hand behind them to pull another sister along her journey. It's happened to me, and it works, and I want to share it with you. So on behalf of the Broke Wives Club, on behalf of Siobhan Shaw, Haley Patterson, Daddy Man, my children Michaela, Michael, Ellie, Ariane, and everyone who loves me and supports me, I thank you, I love you, and I tell you to follow your dream because at the end of the rainbow, you'll find what you're looking for. I'm not going to do this, I just did it, but I'm going to tell you, find peace on the journey, and when you do, you'll be amazed at the attitude you have underneath. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.